How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a forearm workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel. If you guys haven't already, I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So the exercise that I will be doing today is going to be forearm twists. We will do 15 reps. We'll do 5 sets, 75 total repetitions, which is quite a bit of volume in my opinion. That being said, let's get started. So all we're gonna do is this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Just like that, you guys, easy peasy. Yeah, this is a great exercise for your forearms. You guys are really gonna feel it. If you don't feel it after 15 reps, you can do 30 reps, double it, and I guarantee your forearms are gonna be destroyed. So keep that in mind, try that out. Again, I recommend 15 for most people, but again, if you're not feeling it, try 30 reps, and I guarantee you will feel it. Yeah, this is probably the last video I'm going to make, and then I'm going to take probably a 2.5 hour break, and then I'll come back and make more videos. So we will do another 15. Just like that. A little bit tired. But yeah, stomach's still pretty sore. My stomach has been sore since about 8:30. It's almost noon, so I was hoping by taking Pepto it would kind of help, but I'm hoping after this 2.5 hour break, it's all good, because again, I have been doing a ton of workouts and that does put pressure on your stomach. So I'm hoping when I get back after these 2.5 hours that it feels it's better. So we'll do another 15. So 1, 2, 3. Boom, just like that, easy peasy. 2 more sets and then we are done. So that'll be 75 total reps. And again, you don't need weights to develop forearm muscles. You can do it at home without weights. Trust me on this. My forearms have been maintaining really good, and they have been growing too a little bit. So again, they're pretty decent. You can see the muscle in them. The veins are starting to come. Again, it's a little bit tough to see them, but again, it's really not the best lighting, to be honest, but I can't use lighting as an excuse. So we will do another 15. So 1, 2, 3. Boom, just like that. 1 more set, done. And then yeah, just upload it. Then I have to call a company real quick about my benefits. And then I also have to cancel my gym membership since I don't go there anymore. They keep taking like $35 from my account, even though I'm not going there. So I'll have to cancel that today too. Let's do another 15. 1, Boom. So end of a workout. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBird999. Thank you.